Good Monday evening. I'm Chief Meteorologist Emily Walls. Today was a gorgeous day across the area. We had all day sunshine and temperatures. They overperformed in a really big way. So the record high temperature for this date was 64 degrees. That was set back in 2000. And take a look at what we ended up with today. 71 at O'Hare, 72 in Gary, 69 in Valparaiso, same thing in Rensselaer, 62 in Waukegan, 71 in Aurora, and we hit 75 degrees out in LaSalle. So again, just a really incredibly warm day, especially for this time of the year. Normal high temperature for this time of February is right around 40 degrees. Now tomorrow we're going to be even warmer. Here's a look at your forecast high temperatures for tomorrow. Most areas looking at low to mid 70s, but for those of you in the far south or far southwest suburbs, notice LaSalle 76, same thing for Kankakee. It's not out of the question that if these temperatures overperform that you could actually be pretty close to 80 degrees tomorrow afternoon. So again, just really incredible warmth that we're dealing with tomorrow. And the record high temperature for the month of February, so the warmest that it's ever been on record in February, is 75 degrees at O'Hare, and we're going to be within a degree of that. So that record is in jeopardy tomorrow. I think we're within reach of it tomorrow afternoon, but unfortunately, this warmth that is coming along with a catch. So we have a chance of showers late in the morning into the early afternoon, but then late afternoon into the evening, that's when we have a chance of strong to severe thunderstorms to develop. So the Storm Prediction Center has all of our area highlighted in yellow here. That's a slight risk, meaning scattered severe thunderstorms are possible, a marginal risk on the northwest side of Rockford. But here in Chicagoland, it's mainly a slight risk. Now, the main hazards that we're concerned about is large hail, diameter up to 2 inches, going to be possible tomorrow. So large hail, damaging wind gusts, but also the tornado threat, it's not zero. In fact, we've been upgraded to a 5% tornado risk for locations on the south side of Chicago, through the south suburbs, and then over into northwest Indiana. That's that brown shading there. And what this actually means is that any point within this brown shaded area, within 25 miles of you, there's a 5% chance of a tornado. I know that's kind of hard to follow, but what you should take away from this is that the tornado risk is not zero. So have your severe weather plan, know what you're going to do in the event of a tornado if a warning is issued for your location. So just kind of a reviewer here. For those of you that have basements, that is always going to be your best option. Say you don't have a basement though, this is what you're going to want to do. Go to an interior room of your home away from doors and windows. So you can see on the right hand side of your screen right here, it's highlighting that bathroom on the interior. So just try to get away from exterior walls. Again, this is in an event of a tornado warning, and unfortunately I think we could be seeing at least an isolated tornado or two possible in our area sometime late tomorrow afternoon into the evening. So futurecast here, let's time it all out. This evening things are quiet. There's a very small chance that we could see a stray shower or storm pop up in northwest Indiana this evening, but I do think most, if not all of that activity likely develops further to our east. So for most of us, we're just seeing skies becoming partly to mostly cloudy, and then through the morning hours of tomorrow, we'll see scattered showers being possible, but no thunderstorms yet. That's not until the afternoon. So watch as our cold front begins to approach the area. Right around 3:30, 4 p.m., we could be seeing these storms firing up very rapidly across the south suburbs and then moving into northwest Indiana. So this is the time frame that I'm most concerned about, late afternoon after about 4 p.m. through about 9 p.m. So right along that frontal boundary, we're still going to have the threat of strong to severe thunderstorms even closer to 8 p.m. I have this the clock stopped here. You're seeing some of that activity moving through the Chicago area, the north suburbs, and then this quickly comes to an end, and there is going to be some really cold air on the backside of this cold front. So watch what happens Tuesday night. By midnight Tuesday night, so technically early Wednesday morning, we're already starting to see snowflakes mixing in with any leftover rain showers. So really cold air is going to come rushing in. We're in the 70s on Tuesday, but we're going to be dropping through the morning hours of Wednesday, only rebounding to about 30 degrees during the afternoon hours. And it's also going to be windy on top of that. So our wind chill temperatures on Wednesday will likely be in the teens. So it's going to be just kind of a shock to the system after 2 days in the 70s. By the end of the day on Wednesday, again, it's cold, it's breezy, but we will end the day with some sunshine. Here's a look at where we're headed after Wednesday. So temperatures begin to rebound again, similar to the last couple of cold snaps that we've had. It's not going to last too long. We're back up to the mid-40s on Thursday, 50s on Friday. By Saturday, we're looking at highs in the 60s again, and I think by Sunday, it's actually in the realm of possibilities that we could come close to 70 degrees again. So for tonight, we'll see increasing cloud cover. Again, we do have that really small chance for an isolated non-severe thunderstorm in northwest Indiana this evening and tonight. Most areas, though, just see increasing cloud cover. We'll have lows only dropping into the low 50s. And again, putting that number in perspective, typically for this time of the year, the normal high temperature is 40, and we're only dropping to the 50s tonight. So your 7-day forecast, tomorrow we do have that threat of strong to severe thunderstorms during the late afternoon into the evening hours to about 9 or 10 p.m. Temperatures will be in record territory tomorrow in the 70s. We drop to daytime high temperatures in the 30s on Wednesday. Thursday, sunny skies, 45 degrees. We're in the 50s on Friday. Saturday and Sunday, we're expected to be in the 60s, and we could be close to 70 degrees by Sunday afternoon.